are you all? I hope you are doing well. Today I'm back with a new moral story. This story is very interesting about a monkey. What will be the name of the story? So the name of the story is Dodo the Naughty Monkey. So let us read the story. So the story begins. Dodo lived with his mother in the monkey colony. He was very naughty. He troubled all his neighbors. Every day they came complain to his mother. Dodo broke our chair today. Dodo came to our kitchen and ate all the food. Dodo throws my clothes in the neighbor's house. Dodo's mother scolded him, but he did not listen to her. One afternoon, Dodo was in the neighbor's garden. There were many mangoes hanging from the tree. He was very happy. He ate many of them. When he was full, he peeled, dressed, and threw them all over the garden. We really enjoyed doing this. So he went to many other houses and did the same. In the evening, the neighbors saw their gardens. They were very angry. They came to Dodo's house. They said to his mother, "We are very fed up of Dodo. If he doesn't change, you will have to leave this colony and go somewhere else." Dodo's mother said sorry to everyone. She started weeping. Dodo felt very bad for. He said, "Mommy, I am sorry. I will never be naughty again. Please don't cry." He also said sorry to all his neighbors. From that day, Dodo became a good monkey, and his mother and all the neighbors were happy with him. I hope you liked my story. I hope you listened to the story carefully. So, did you learn anything from the story? Let me tell you. This story tells us that we should be good and well behaved. Everyone will love you if you are well behaved. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.